I got cautions out for crash down the back stretch.
I'm so sorry.
So we were playing a game where you put the...
For about, I believe, a 5-truck incident down the back stretch. I believe.
Okay. Kid was trying to tag me and I walked like this, go like...
Yeah.
It was on accident.
It's at least a 6-truck incident. At least a 6-truck incident here.
Hits the floor.
You hit him and the boys? I didn't know.
At least a 6-truck incident.
Oh no. You're like, we need a babysitter for you boys then.
He like smacked his head.
The beans over the franks. The beans ain't over the franks, so what did you hit you, is it?
6-truck incident, caution down the back stretch.
Oh my gosh.
Don't know what for. Pretty sure what I'm on. I don't know.
You bought the one for Teresa from Teresa Bush. I know right? Yeah. His parents, he built them a new table.
I'm turning it up.
Outside wall and truck after truck, a lot of damage.
Pretty sure it's like a 6 or 7-truck incident. And Tony Brininger also involved. All right, let's see what happened. I wasn't paying attention to this right now. See what happened right here. Looked like they checked up and then went off the front bumper of Majeski, it looks like.
I think there's a checkup early ahead of
Yeah.
when the 11.
What do you got? And all that.
Yeah, it's already kind of started there.
Brininger involved.
Back to the aerial view.
McDowell.
Get to the outside of the truck that was in front of him. He didn't mean to.
Oh gosh, a hard hit for
Here, the 19 and the 11.
Raja Caruth.
I think they
Watch this 71 truck.
checks up everything back here.
Watch this 71 truck.
91 a little bit sideways.
Oh, the couch.
Right there, watch the 71 truck right here.
A little bit, gets the timing off, and just gets
get the water all
in front of his bumper, and that just sets off a chain reaction. Just trucks.
Oh,
And the further that you get back, when those trucks check up in the front of that line right there, and then all of a sudden,
the absolute hard hit.
and they keep shoving you, you're trying to line up, and you get into the outside like we saw Ben Rhodes doing in the right rear quarter panel there, and it just sets this right off.
McDowell involved, 2021 Daytona 500 champion.
So when that truck checks up, there's no time for you to really, adapt or adjust to that, and then you just run into it.
And you saw the flames come out of the pipes of the 99 truck in that truck right there.
That was a big hit by Michael McDowell in 07.
And by Raja Caruth. Watch the 71 truck.
Look at Raja Caruth.
That's the worst slide, the worst feeling. I think in motorsports, because it's the longest slide, knowing an impact is coming your way.
Oh, what a hard hit.
That was a pretty good hit there.
Just destroyed the truck front to back.
And then I was
On board with Majeski.
It's on board Tamajeski.
No, that started off the front bumper of Rhodes.
You didn't hear a lot of throttle left, and he was being shoved from behind. And Ben Rhodes was the one seeing all the action. Those guys, at this point in the race, it's just push until something happens. And unfortunately for all of them, the something that was happening was 2 trucks in front of them, and they
8-truck incident.
into the checkup.
8 trucks involved. The 7th caution of the night.
You think about how fast your reaction times have to be. Right? If you're right on that truck in front of you, they lift. You have to be ready to go to the brakes that quick, and you're not ready for it. Right? You're thinking you're wide open, you're aggressive, you're going to push down the straightaway, we're going to move our lane, and then everything gets a little bit wonky in front of you, and you got to lift. It's going to set off the chain reaction. That's why down the highway you're supposed to leave a big gap to the car in front of you, right? Because it gives you time for that. But in racing, you can't. And this is what happens.
That's Michael McDowell.
We'll have we'll have 12 laps to go when we go back to the green. Lap 4.
Again, that slide straight into the wall. His guy is done.
Yeah, we have definitely put plenty of tire marks there with trucks spinning out off of turn 4. Here's another one.
Cody Branninger.
Right next to those old, and she got old tire marks, and she got away with that first one right there.
Shit.
She was able to continue after that. She was able to
Ben Rhodes wins stage 1.
Ben Rhodes picks up his first stage win since 2023. Background in the night he's here. They will swap things on pit road. He drops from the back to the front, picks up stage 1. Stage number 2, Tyler Akron brings out the caution after losing an engine. Blake Greenfield, the third incident off turn 4, hard into that wall.
Hard hit.
And that was a caution that really changed the strategy up quite a bit.
And this multi-truck crash
I guess you
on the back stretch.
The trucks spin out easier than the cars do.
Yeah, and two of those trucks, as we see, 71 truck hit the wall really hard right there, and Michael bumped into that truck, but you know, the 88 and the 99 back in the middle of that pack got torn up in that accident. Two of the trucks that we thought were the fastest. Some of the fastest trucks.
12 leaders, 28 lead changes, cars on the lead lap, 25 trucks on the lead lap, and we have 7 cautions.
Yeah, 14 to go right now. You're saying we're going to green, maybe 12 to go, something like
You
that.
recording this, Cole?
Yeah, for our YouTube.
Don't worry,
I do race reactions on YouTube.
Really high likelihood of crashing at that point. You're in the middle. You're not as far forward as you want to be, but you don't want to ride.
You know, we will have race reactions also tomorrow
You're
night
just in the wrong spot. That's why this
for ARCA.
to this.
See.
You were trying to position
And see my prediction for the ARCA race tomorrow. Cletus McFartland, aka Greg Mitchell. And that would be part 2.